And that's match number 10 all wrapped up. Mardan Warriors versus the Hyderabad Hunters. Another one that went down to the wire. Let's take a look at the match summary, see how that match went. There it is, Hyderabad Hunters choosing to bat first. A good cameo there by Ali Nasir. And the Mardan Warriors chasing that down comfortably, losing the momentum there in the middle, but then picking up right again and winning the match by 4 wickets. Some good individual performances, and that's the match wrapped up. I have Sana Mir and Darren Ganga here with me to talk about that match. Sana, Hyderabad Hunters tried their best today. They had some good individual performances as well, but couldn't quite get through.
Yeah, I think their fielding has let them down now and again. Their batting doesn't have momentum. We see a couple of good innings. We see them playing well in phases. So as a whole team unit, whether it's batting or bowling, they have not been able to really do well on the whole inning. So we saw a great performance from Ali Nasir. I think he really fought hard for the team, whether it was batting or bowling. But in the end, it was not enough for the match.
Another day, another good all-round performance we saw after that spectacular show from Arafat Minhas yesterday.
Yeah, he was quite good. I mean, he held the innings together for the Hyderabad Hunters when they looked like they would be shut out for a lot less. He took a blow to his neck. He fought, he was determined, he got a half century, only the third half century for this Hyderabad Hunters team, and a team that has struggled badly with the batting. Much more was required, and then he came with the bowl. He had to bowl 3 overs in the power play. No one else supported him in terms of wicket taking as a seamer, so it was a lone man sort of show with the ball. That's why the captain had to bowl him an extended spell in the power play, so there wasn't that sort of strength at the back end of the innings to sort of save this run chase from the Warriors. So I guess he will walk forward with the experience and the performances that we've seen, but surely a genuine all-rounder in the making from the United Arab Emirates.
Right, so before the match today, you said you were supporting the Hunters because of your countryman Sammy. What must he be telling the boys right now?
Well, I think they've self-destructed to a large extent. As Sana mentioned, a couple catches going down at crucial times. In that penultimate over, if that catch was taken, the equation would have still been a tough one. A new batter coming to the crease, it might have been a different outcome to the game. But, you know, when you score a total as low as 128, you have to feel properly. You have to support your bowlers. They didn't do that. And throughout this entire tournament, as I've mentioned on commentary, they haven't created too many wicket-taking opportunities. So that's an area that Darren Sammy will focus on. They need to get wickets and to stay in the game if they're not batting well.
Spot on. Sana, we know Mardan Warriors are one of the better bowling sides of the PJL, but tonight with the bat also they impressed.
Yeah, I think this win is going to be very important for them going into the tournament, because as a bowling unit, they have a lot of confidence in themselves. But this batting performance will give a lot of confidence because they won this match without important runs from George Thomas or Ollie Cox. So that would definitely give them a lot of confidence. We saw a brilliant innings by Shahzeb Khan at the top, and then Hasib Khan especially. The 49 not out, he played some innovative shots, and under pressure he delivered.
Yeah, he batted at number 4, and he was, you know, that sort of glue to the innings. When wickets were tumbling initially, he looked like he wanted to bat all the way through to the end. If you look and compare both teams after the 15th over, they were very much in a similar stage. But I think the way they played the last 5 overs, that is where they won the game. They scored 53 runs, just lost 1 wicket, and he was at the end. He was there to see them home, and he got very good support from Nazar, who played a very good hand. His strike rate was brilliant, and that is what you want. You want guys to finish a game off, and he did that.
Well, definitely Mardan Warriors ending the day on a high, and hard luck to the Hunters. Let's take a look at the points table and see how the teams rank right now. So Gawada Sharks and Mardan Warriors are looking very comfortable right now.
Yeah, credit to Gawada Sharks, who have only played 3 games, still at the top. But Mardan Warriors look really good with 6 points. good positive net run rate. But Hyderabad Hunters, they are out of the tournament now mathematically also. All they are going to play for is pride now, and they definitely would want to go on a high.
Definitely, Sana, and we're set for another double header tomorrow at the Gaddafi Stadium, Lahore. The first one between the Rawalpindi Raiders and the Gujranwala Giants. Now, the Giants will definitely be looking to win this one. They're not looking to secure on the points table, so this should be an interesting game. Followed by this very exciting encounter between Bahawalpur Royals and Gawada Sharks. Two very strong teams there. Right, we're all set for the fantastic Friday that awaits us for tomorrow. For now, Darren, Ganga, this is it for your journey at the PJL for this edition. You know, it was lovely having you. How was your experience?
It's been a great experience. I mean, Pakistan is always very warm and welcoming. I think this Pakistan Junior League is a definite pearl in the under-19 landscape with 11 countries adding their players to this exciting group of local Pakistan players. It can only grow from here, and the quality of cricket is improving. So I expect to see many of these young players graduating on to Pakistan senior team, maybe other national teams. That to me will be the other type of success to be achieved from this wonderful tournament.
Well, it was lovely having you, Darren, and we hope to see you again next year. Thank you, Sana, for joining me again.
Absolutely. It's been an honor sharing the comms room and here so much learning from you. So thank you so much for coming here and granting your insights to the Pakistan Junior League.
Thank you very much for having me.
Ganga, of course, a very loved personality here in Pakistan. It was lovely having him. And that's all from us here tonight. Join us back again tomorrow for the fantastic Friday as we head into another double header at the Pakistan Junior League. Till then, it's a goodbye from all of us.